Hello, my name is Carmen Gregori. I work at the University of Valencia and I'm also a member of EDISO. The focus of my research, well, although I have worked with other types of discourse, I would like from now on to focus my research on representation and textual analysis in television discourse, both fictional and non-fictional. I want to find out how these are manipulated by their producers to give an artificial version of reality or of the reality we live in. We know, of course, that representation is not a reflection of reality, but someone's version of it. However, these artificial texts are necessary, as claimed by many authors, in order to make sense of the reality we live in. Media texts, I think, are or act as mediators since they help us understand our own reality. Producers create a text and we compare it to that reality. Out of the many possibilities of interpreting media texts, I'm interested in textual analysis. In particular, I'm interested in finding out how the text portrays different social groups, how they stereotype, for example, gender, age, status, ethnicity. Now, who could be interested in my research? Well, I believe those who are interested in media discourse and want to find out more about, for example, the ideologies that are exposed in those texts, the expectations that we are supposed to live up to, the unrealistic targets that media texts may have, the inclusion or exclusion of certain social groups, for example, the elderly. Others, like, for example, people who are interested in, delving into the concept of ethnicity and how it is dealt with in media. Well, this would be, some of the aspects that could be of interest. And regarding the impact that this work will have, I think it will give us a better understanding of what media or what kind of information media is providing us with. Thank you very much.